Sound. 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 Let's try to put those together. Again. What's that word? Pops. Pops. Call that word. Pops. Call the word. Pops. This word says pops. All right.
Pretty soon, those kinds of scenes will be playing out in classrooms right across the island. But getting there takes a lot of pre-planning. And we know that for some teachers, this can be an exciting time, while others are anticipating the stress of the first day of class. So we have a few tips to help you start the school year right.
First and foremost, I have a passion. I love to help people, I love to help students. And one of my major success is getting a child who don't even know letter sounds. And at the end of a year or at the end of even 6 months, that child can read even a paragraph, and that is satisfying for me.
Most teachers will tell you that's their end goal. Not specifically the point of helping a child read, just generally making a difference. Taking a child from one stage of development to another.
You have to be committed, you have to be patient.
And you have to be prepared. So before that school bell rings for the first time, it's a good idea to reflect on the past. Experience is the ultimate learning tool. First-year teachers, you'll only have limited experience as a student teacher. But work with it and consult with those who've been practicing longer.
We have consultations where teachers meet and we talk about the program, how it is going, what we're doing, what areas we're covering with the children.
Veteran teachers, you have much to call on, so use it. Think of all the things that went right and wrong in the past, decide what to repeat and assess what needs tweaking.
So it's a step-by-step process.
And one important step is to begin as you mean to go on. This is an attitude thing. On that very first day and for the next few weeks, it's important to set the tone for the rest of the year. So go ahead and greet every student at the door as they come in. A simple wave or smile will do, and the reward is a more relaxed and comfortable environment for everyone. Experts also suggest that you make small talk with some of the students. Walk around and learn what they did over the summer and create an environment where friendly conversation is the norm for the very first day. Be sure to introduce yourself. Tell them not just your name, but also your expectations for them and what they can expect from you. Having a successful new school year will as much be dependent on your relationship with parents as with your students. Parents can be your biggest ally or your biggest enemy, so get them on your side. More important, make them a part of the strategy to help their children learn. Try to contact each parent personally by setting up parent meetings, calling them on the phone, emailing them, or inviting them to see you at school. Feel free to use these few tips to start the school year on a positive footing. Create a learning environment that is comfortable for yourself, your students, and their parents. And remember to enjoy the experience.